Okay, so I'm over at Harvest at Ovation and kind of doing a strange thing. Now this floor plan is sold out and they're not going to have any homes for sale until I believe they said October or so. But this is the Baldwin floor plan. You know, I think this same model was over by Walmart in Hamlin. It looks very familiar to me. I think I have a video of it. It's the Baldwin. Well, this is the Baldwin. Because I remember this. I remember this kitchen being pretty large.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
And then walking to the front over there and it looking like this. So let's go check it out. And I'm Rich Noto, your construction trained realtor, Florida licensed realtor, Florida home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, and a whole bunch of other certifications and designations to help you better. And it's always so important to have a realtor on your side that has construction training, because when you go off to the builder alone, or you hire a realtor that's based on hype, fancy drone videos, fancy music, the personality in the video seems great, you want to work with them because they're that great, and look, it's your right. But when you hire that realtor and they have no licensing that's based on construction in any way, you're at a huge disadvantage. So that's not something that's, should I say, a smart move, because when you own the house, eventually all the defects will come back to haunt you. And if you're a first-time home buyer and you've never had to repair a house, well, I suggest call some roofing companies, siding companies, stucco companies, plumbers, electricians, call some floor companies, call some slab companies if you had to crack open the slab, heaven forbid. And call HVAC companies, get some pricing, and you'll see how quickly hundreds of dollars, but more likely thousands, will be gone in the snap of a finger. So that's very important. Gotta walk out to see the front of this house. Extend the camera. So again, I do think I have a video of this model, but it's one of my older videos, so it's back in the day when I looked better, but I wasn't nearly as good at making videos. I don't really like talking to the camera, I still don't. So when you first walk in, you got a bathroom and a bedroom off to your left. And of course I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for representing a home builder, and it's all information about that. And I like this, you got a walk-in closet and your shower and sink and toilet. Amazing how fast the homes sell pretty much everywhere, but I mean, Winter Garden's always been such a fast seller. Nothing has stopped it. Yeah, this is the great thing about this house. I'm pretty sure it is the same model. And I don't remember the name of that community. Here's your storage under the stairs. I just remember it's in Hamlin. Was it? It'll come to me eventually. And you have a half bath. Was it Hamilton? No, Hamilton Gardens was a different one, but close to it. Now let's go take a walk up to the second floor. So you got two landings, which is really nice. So there's not that many steps to go up at once. Yeah, huge master bedroom. Yeah, I'm a rich man. Yeah, I'm a rich man. Well, my name is Rich, so that's why I was singing it. shower. Yeah, so large shower. This is one of those homes that, like, it really has the makings of a luxury house. And from the outside, it probably doesn't look like it, but you know, depending on how you upgrade this one, it can really be just that. Here's another walk-in closet. And it's a big one. Okay, so here's a sink and a toilet and your tub. So this is one of those homes where I feel like if you have children, and they're gonna take one of these rooms, there might be some arguing based on who gets which room to go outside. I guess especially if there's more than 2 children, if there's 3, one of them might feel cheated if they want that sort of thing. But then again, when you have this kind of, you know, option, I feel like it's the kind of thing that you'd want to have, like maybe one room to be like a neutral room where anybody at any time can just go outside if they want to. And hopefully the house has some kind of a nice view and you're not just like facing your neighbors with that. Because then, I don't know, to me it kind of defeats the purpose. Let's go back into the laundry room. And again, we're at Harvest at Ovation from Taylor Morrison. Yeah, just a great house. I like it. All right, so I'm going to start in this closet and avoid the hangers. So this closet has, you know, pretty decent space all around. It's a large closet, and I don't know if I'm showing it or not. Big closet. So if you're looking for a master bedroom that has a nice bathroom, this could be it. Because this is a nice shower. It's a long one. And the master bedroom is big, but I think that this house, really the focus is for people that want the view of the first floor. So I think that that's really what this house is about. It's about that, and then it's also about being able to, you know, walk outside of either both your bedrooms or one bedroom and, you know, sit on the, I guess the balcony, if you want to call it that. Now the other thing that's nice, again, is the amount of steps. So there's not too many steps to go up and down without a break, you know, with the landing there. So that's nice. And then this was the half bath. Oop, I just crashed into something. Half bath and the closet. So the other great thing about this house is that it has this full bathroom here as well. And I'll walk in it this way so you kind of see the closet. Put the camera up close to the wall, extend my arms. So I don't know, what is this, 8 feet maybe 8 feet long. Just a bit of a quick estimate. But this room's a good size. I feel like it's got to be at least 13 feet by something. I mean, I could be wrong. And please check out my website at richnotohomes.com, where you can find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page. if it's listed on the MLS. And I do appreciate everyone stopping by to watch this.